What else do we want? A destination wedding in Thailand? Why not? We have here with us Miss Kiran, and she's going to tell you a lot more about how to go about it.
Hi, I'm Kiran from the Tourism Authority of Thailand. So we are working very hard this year to celebrate weddings and celebrations in Thailand in different destinations in Thailand like Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Hua Hin. These are all beach destinations that have become very popular for Indian travelers. In fact, Thailand was awarded by Travel and Leisure 2 times in a row as the best wedding destination, voted by Indian readers. So in that way, we can see how immensely popular it has become. So what we do here to promote weddings is we get queries from the family or from wedding planners, and we provide them with all the destination information, hotel information, contact people, contact names. We also take wedding planners to Thailand to see the properties over there, to meet the vendors, to meet the contacts in Thailand, so that they are able to give the right information to the clients over here. And what is really important about Thailand is that Thai people are very warm. The hospitality is very nice in Thailand, and you get everything in Thailand from flowers to decor. Even for the Bharat, there are elephants and horses available. You can even get the panditjits over there. And besides that, vegetarian food, Indian food is all available. If the family is a Jain family and very strict about food, we even have option of you getting your own Maharaj in, and they clear the kitchen space for you. So all in all, it's very flexible. They have a very can-do attitude in Thailand for weddings. So that's basically what makes weddings in Thailand really sell. Thailand turns out to be very reasonable. I wouldn't say it's, can't compare to India because there is a factor of the price inclusive. If you're looking at the hotel point of view, 5-star hotels in Thailand are definitely cheaper than 5-star hotels over here. You can get a good hotel for as reasonable as 6,000 baht, a 5-star property. And in terms of banquet also, it's almost the same. But in Thailand, when you do a wedding, you don't need to get all these licenses for liquor, for entertainment. So you save costs over here. It's a little less headache for all this. But in terms of ticketing, even if you fly to Udaipur or Goa, you spend a little bit more and you're already in Thailand. So with there's a direct flight option now going all the way to Phuket. That's 4 hours from Delhi to Phuket directly. You don't have to stop in Bangkok. So that's very popular. Keeping that in mind, it may be a little bit more expensive, but the whole experience that you have over there is totally different. So that will make your guest really enjoy wedding in Thailand.
We all have our weekend trips in Thailand. Why not have a destination wedding in Thailand? Because it's quite affordable, amazing, and the kind of hospitality you get.
And another thing, you can just pack your bags and leave because it's visa on arrival. You don't have to pre-plan all that. So come celebrate your next wedding in Thailand, and we have a slogan, fall in love in India and get married in amazing Thailand.